Hi guys, it's D.A Santos. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button. For today's video, we're going to build a rotating condiments rack. Dahil marami nagre-request ng materials and sizes, I will try to put more details sa mga project natin and also check the description box below para sa mga list ng tools and materials. First, we are going to cut 38 cm 3/4 plyboard circle using nail and yarn. I'm going to use a electric jigsaw to cut the circle. Now we are going to cut the following sizes: 1 piece 38 by 50 cm, 1 piece 18.1 by 50 cm, and lastly 1 piece 18 by 18.1 cm. I'm going to use this jig to hold the piece temporarily. By the way, I'm using impact driver drill and impact drill. Now we're going to trace the circle part that will be served as shelves.
Perfect.
we're going to use Lazy Susan bearing plate for the rotating function. We need to mark the hole first in the rotating part because this part is kinda tricky. Now it's time to make the mounting that holds the rotating part. We need to make a hole so we have an access to the bearing screw spots. You will see later what I mean. Now we are going to install the 30 by 55.5 centimeters plyboard. So guys, I already painted white and now we're going to put laminating sheet and end strips. So that's it guys, hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.